Most auto repair shops already have a gold mine sitting in their database, past customers who have not returned yet. In 2026, AI can help you reconnect with them through smart, personalized follow-up. Instead of blasting the same message to everyone, AI can sort customers by service history, timing, mileage, and likely needs. A customer who came in 6 months ago for an oil change should get a different reminder than someone who had brake work done last year. That kind of targeting matters. America's Best Shops teaches auto repair shops how to use AI to revive lost opportunities without sounding robotic or pushy. The goal is simple: stay top of mind and create a reason for the customer to come back now. AI makes it easier to send the right message at the right time. When used properly, reactivation campaigns can turn an old customer list into steady monthly revenue without relying only on new leads.